Alright guys, so today I will be unboxing something I bought from Kohl's with my Kohl's cash. You know how I like to use my Kohl's cash. This is actually a cute set that I'll be putting in a half bath, and it's going to be replacing this particular look that I did a while back. Alright, so now that you've seen that look, let's go and get into this unboxing. As you know, Christmas just passed and I had a lot of Kohl's cash because I usually buy my son's clothes from Kohl's. And whenever I do that, I get a lot of Kohl's cash. And I saw this cute 6-pack set from Kohl's that had 2 bath towels, 2 hand towels, 2 washcloths. And I decided I was going to make my bathroom more of a neutral color. It's neutral now, it's a gray color, but this particular color is more realistic to actually the color of my shower curtain. So, you know, I think you guys probably gave me a lot of nice comments on the last time I styled the half bath, and that's why I really haven't changed it, because I really like that style. I like that look, but at some point, guys, you have to switch it up, make it fresh. These are some really nice quality towels. They are very soft, very plush, and those are the face towels. I fell in love with these hand towels. They've got a Lattice kind of a look to them, and they came in 3 colors. They came in gray, which, you know, I was trying to steer away from, and they came in this neutral beige color, and they came in navy. Actually, it was like a royal blue. And then the bath towel is pretty much like the same pattern that's on the face towel. So let's go and see what it looks like in the bathroom. Alright guys, so here is the new look. Very neutral. It matches the lines in the shower curtain. I was trying to decide if I wanted to put the other hand towel on the other side or just leave it like this. I really like the detail in the hand towel, as you can see, and I kind of wanted to leave it out in the open so people could enjoy it as well. So let me know what you think in the comments. And I did repurpose my brooches that was on my other set of towels, so I will let you see what I did with those. Alright, so this is the wall behind, well actually it's the wall across from my towels. And as you can see, I just put bling wrap on here and I put it across here. So I'm going to show you what it looks like with my brooches. Alright, so here's what it looks like with my brooches. I like this even better. I'm so happy I was able to use them still. I got them from Walmart for about a couple of dollars a piece. I'll leave a link in the description box to the video on how I styled those last set of towels. If you'd like to see how I styled these, just leave me a comment and let me know. I'd be happy to put something together for you. If you are new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And you know how we do it here. I try to make sure I take my first 10 comments from my last video, and I do shout outs at the end, and we're going to do a special shout out now, as well as our 10 shout outs from our last video. So make sure you hit that notification bell so that you can be notified when I put out a video. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Let's get into these shout outs. Today's special shout out is going to a family member, so make sure you go and show him some love. He is a talented artist, and in 2011, Leslie founded a new style of painting, ANI, Afrocentric Neo-Impressionism. He is a small business entrepreneur, and this is his YouTube page. This is just a quick illustration of the work he does. This is a painting of T.D. Jakes, and it's definitely something you want to look at from beginning to end. These are just clips on how he created this fabulous portrait. Now, today's a great day to introduce you to Leslie Bernardo Dixon, and I will leave all his links in the description box for you to check out, but make sure you go to his website. You will have the chance to win one of his sublimated mugs that's called Art in Your Hands. Once you're at his website, click the News tab and then click Art Special. To enter, just leave your name and email address so that he can contact you. So make sure you register to win a mug. This is a front view, a side view, and a rear view of the mug. Leslie is a recommended channel on my page, so when you visit him, make sure you mention Vet sent you.